Alright, I'm recording him. Look at these cute little booties. Percy, you ready?
The new dog shoes. And go! What you gonna do?
He's trotting in place. Percy! Come here! Come here! Hello! Hello! He's like, take these ridiculous things off. Percy.
Quit staring me down.
Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Oh, puppy. That one's off a little bit. They seem to fit him relatively well.
You look really funny.
He looks cute. Huh, Percy? What? You don't like to talk, Booty?
What's the matter? You don't like your shoes?
He's like, take them off. Take them off. Just leave them on him so he can get used to it. Hey, don't bite them. Don't you be biting. He says, hey, this isn't funny. Just, hey, don't smack me.
You're a funny dog.
Stretch, Percy, stretch.
He's trying to get those off.